Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save tasks on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, if you want to save a task, you can do that if you click on the three dots near the name of the task and click on the add to favorites, and then you can see at the top of the screen the favorites icon, and here will be shown all your saved tasks, and which can be really helpful if you cannot complete the task at that moment, but you can do it later on. And here you can find those favorite tasks that you would like to complete later. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.